I got that header piece fixed. Now sun visor. I'm gonna probably bring it back to about here so it'll have a little bit of roof in the front, then let it hang over 6 inches or so. And already got me a piece of 1/2-inch tubing bent. Just gonna go something like that. When I bought the sheet metal, it was 4x8 sheets. It was hard to store a 4x8, so I cut them in half, 4x4. And it just so happened that 4 foot wasn't quite wide enough to build this thing, so I had to add something to it on each end. And I'm in the process of finishing that up. But it's gonna work out all right. It's gonna be good. It's gonna look good too. Okay, got a sun visor did. I still got to come. I changed my mind again about the bead, about welding and stitches. I said a week or so ago that I was going to weld this up smooth, but I changed my mind again. I'm going to put stitches. So stitches, and I'm going to come put stitches here. This is where I had to splice a piece to it. I had it. If I was building a show car, I'd use a little body filler to spackling putty or something to smooth that up, but since it's a rat rod, I don't even do nothing to it. Paint it black, rub silver over it. That's them little imperfections are gonna make it even look better when you do that. So yeah, now in the future, if I decide to add the roof, I already got a start in the front and just come from here back. Sun visor. Don't do too much for blocking the sun, because when you're sitting in the seat, it don't really help that much, but it makes the car look so much cooler. I might want to take some of this, little bit of this roundness out and make it a little bit more flat across there. We'll see. Yeah, that'll work. I'm digging it. Sun visor. All right, appreciate you.